Box method multiplication is basically breaking down a number or a multiplication sentence by its place value, then multiplying it out. Now, your first number, depending on how many place values, this one has 3, is going to tell you how many columns you have going up and down. The second number's place value is going to tell you how many rows. And so the first number has 3 place values, so I'm going to have 3 columns. The second number has 2 rows, so 2 place values, so I'm going to have 2 rows. So I went ahead and set up the boxes for you. For this first box, I'm going to do 400 because there's a 4 in the hundreds place, 10 because there's a 1 in the tens place, and a 7 because there's a 7 in the ones place. Then I'll go the other direction. There's a 2 in the tens place, so that's 20, a 6 in the ones, so that's 6. And if you struggle knowing what to multiply in each box, a little trick you can have is draw different colors. So let's say, and I use yellow for this one. So I have my red 400s, my blue 10s, and my yellow 7s. And then I'll go with different colors the other way. Say green and then orange. And whatever colors intersect are going to be the numbers you're multiplying. So for this one I have 400 times 20. So I'm multiplying those two numbers together. 4 times, do a different color. 4 times 2 is 8. And there are 1, 2, 3 zeros I'm adding. 1, 2, 3. Now I'll multiply 20 times 10. 1 times 2 is 2. Add 2 zeros. Then I multiply my yellow and my green. So 7 times 2 is 14 with 1 0. The next one, I do 400 times 6. And that is, I do 400 times 6, but I do 4 times 6, which is 24. And I add 2 zeros. Then I have 10 times 6, which is 60. And then 6 times 7, which is 42. And what you're going to have to do with all of those numbers is add them up. Now, I like to go ahead and take all the numbers and then add them up vertically over to the side. Some people do it different ways, but that's just the easiest way for me to do it. As long as you are going to add up all the numbers, it doesn't really matter how you set it up or which numbers you add first. So I'll zoom in. I have it set up. So 0 plus all these zeros is plus 2 is 2. 4 plus 6 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. Plus 4 is 14. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. And 8 plus 2 is 10. Make sure to put your comma. So you have your answer for 417 times 26. You get 10,842. Now, if you're watching this video, you want practice, I went ahead and kind of set it up for you. Remember, I won't do the colors, but 3 place values means that you have 3 columns. 2 place value means you have 2 rows. What I want you to do is pause the video and see what you get when you work it out. Now that you're back, that probably means that you paused the video and worked it out. Let's compare your answers to mine. Do different colors. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 3 zeros. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2 zeros. 8 times 4 is 32 plus 1 0. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 2 zeros. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 0. And 8 times 2 is 16. You take all your numbers, you set it up vertically, and you add them together. 8,000 plus 1,200 plus 320. Make sure all your place values are lined up. Plus 400 plus 60 plus 16. That would be 6. Hope we can see that a little better. 0 plus 0 plus 2. 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. And 8 plus 1 is 9. 1, 2, 3, comma. So whenever you multiply 238 times 42, you get the final answer of 9,996. Now, I'll go and tell you that if you like doing the standard way, you're going to get the same exact answers, but if you like doing the box method, it works out. Just make sure you know what you're multiplying, make sure you have the right rows and columns, and you will be good to go.